welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site naman tayong pagkakakitaan. Ito ang OK/trx.xyz. So paano nga ba makapag-sign up dito at register sa ating site? Ilagay lamang ang ating mobile number, login password, security password, at ang ating invitation code. Then yung i-attach natin yung code na nakalagay dito. Then once na na-fill up po natin siya guys, click lang natin na itong sign up. So once na nakapag-sign up tayo sa ating site, so may latest announcement sa ating si OKE-TRX. So OKE-TRX top 10 global mining bases, mine number 1 next to the Deer Clory Yower Station in the Upper Columbia River, Washington State, Northwestern United States. And then mine number 2 next to the Tucuri Yower Station in the Northern Brazil. Mine number 3 Zambezi River, Giai, Zimbabwe next to the Bashawer Station, Mozambique. Mine number 4 the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon region of Northern Brazil, adjacent to the Tocrebohebo Power Station. Mine number 5 next to the Coma Yower Station on the lower Caroni River in Venezuela. And then mine number 6 Upper Parana River near Paraguay, Brazil, next to the Itaipu Power Station. Mine number 7 next to the nuclear power plant in Calgar, Karnataka, India, on the banks of the Kalanide River. And then mine number 8 Upper Zingo River in the lower Amazon River, Brazil, next to the Maysian Haiwu Station. And then mine number 9 next to the Joili Shawu Station in eastern Venezuela. And then mine number 10 Upper Yenisei River in Siberia near Sayanshu Yower Power Station. So meron tayo dito, once na nakapag-login tayo guys, meron tayo ditong total balance si OKE-TRX na 1,170.85 TRX. So meron tayo dito guys na about us. We are at our best. Cloud mining offer a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoins, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading of DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. So we have here the global partners, the Wazirx, CoinDCX, Genesis Mining, Bitmain, Binance, and the CoinMint. So magtungo naman tayo guys sa ating trading. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating trading, meron tayo ditong trading profit 24-hour settlement. Cloud mining is working positive 5%. So we have here the 58.54 TRX quantifying transaction revenue. Click lang natin itong ating receive. So yung nga successful receive. So magtungo naman dito tayo sa ating invest. So once na tayo sa ating invest, we have here the product list. So OKE-TRX my number 1, daily rate 2, cycle 7 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 3, daily rate 3%, 3, cycle 30 days. And then the OKE-TRX my number 10, daily rate 5, cycle 90 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 5, daily rate 6, cycle 120 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 8, daily rate 7, cycle 150 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 2, daily rate 8, cycle 180 days. And the last one is the OKE-TRX my number 7, daily rate 13.5, cycle 360 days. So yun guys, magtungo naman tayo sa ating share. So yun guys, paano nga ba tayo makapag earn ng ating rewards dito sa ating site? So we have here the QR code ng ating copy link. Then meron tayo dito invite code. And then yung ating copy link. So, ika-copy lang natin itong ating link. And then, isi-share natin yung referral link natin through social media like Facebook, Instagram, at Messenger para makapag-earn tayo ng ating rewards. So, magtungo naman tayo sa ating mine. So, yun guys, once na nagtungo tayo sa ating mine, meron tayong total balance dito na 1,229.39 TRX. When we have here the deposit and the withdrawal. So TRX deposit quantity 15 TRX, recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. Click natin itong guys yung ating deposit. So, paano nga ba makapag-deposit sa ating account? Sa ating site, we have here the transfer to basic account and the transfer to promotion account. So, investment is divided in two modes. First, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone after 24 every day. So, second one is the recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. View notes. Before investing, please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. So after yan guys, magtungo naman tayo sa ating transfer to basic account. So yun nga guys, once na naklik natin yung transfer to basic account, we have here the QR code and QR code address and then yung ating copy address. And then once na ikakopy lang natin itong ating address, then ipipaste natin siya sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit dito sa ating site. So once na successful na yung ating deposit, withdraw sa ating Binance para pumasok sa ating site na ating i-deposit, then click natin itong recharge complete. So paano naman tayo dito mag-withdraw sa ating site? Magtungo naman tayo sa ating withdrawal. So paano nga ba mag-withdraw naman dito sa ating site? So we have here the basic account balance, 24-hour withdrawal, and the total balance is 1,229.39, and then the daily withdrawal limit is 0.45. So we have here the basic account quota or yung ating desired amount na ating withdrawin, then yung address na manggagaling sa ating Binance account, ikakopy lang natin siya and then ipipaste natin siya dito guys, and then i-enter lang natin yung security password. Then once na ma-fill up nyo siya guys, then click nyo na yung confirm. So yun guys, hihintayin nyo lang yung ating, kunyari once na mag-withdraw kayo sa ating site, hihintayin nyo lang ng ilang minuto, then papasok na yun sa ating Binance account. So yun nga guys, napaka-legit na itong ating site. So ano pang hinihintay nyo, mag-register na kayo at huwag kalimutan na i-click ang notification bell at ang subscribe button para mas updated pa kayo sa mga i-release ko pang mga video.